In this video we take a closer look at the function of levels in the station area. When you are in the station area, you will see the Add Level button as soon as 3 stations are added. Adding a level allows you to determine the order in which the stations appear on the map for your scavenger hunt participants. For example, you may decide that the first 3 stations in your scavenger hunt must be completed before 2 or 3 more stations appear on the map. With a level, you can not only decide on the order of the stations, but also organize your scavenger hunt into levels. Let's take a closer look at this with an example. Let's assume your attention is that your scavenger hunt participants have to complete a specific station first before they can see 2 other stations on the map and therefore visit them. This can easily be achieved. You have already created 3 stations and now want to insert a level. Now add a level and see how the level is placed between station 1 and 2. This means that only the first station is displayed at the start of the scavenger hunt. As soon as station 1 has been completed, by scanning the QR code, all stations on the next level appear. In this case, station 2. You can add multiple levels to your scavenger hunt and thus determine at what time which stations appear within the scavenger hunt. To delete a layer that has already been added, simply drag the cursor onto the lock symbol, which then turns into a bin. The level is deleted with one click. In our example, this would mean that station 1 and 2 are now visible and accessible on the map from the beginning. As you can see, the last station of a scavenger hunt is always set as a level. This means that your scavenger hunt participants will unlock the final station only after all previous stations have been unlocked. Good luck with setting up your first scavenger hunt.